Hi everyone. Now let's discuss about how to convert string data into tuple data structure. Now let's see here. I am just taking fruit equal to its a variable name or string name. You can say that is the value, that is the string that we have. So first you need to verify whether it is a string or not using built-in function. So then what we need to do, so we need to pass like print of then given string is okay. So then what we need to do, we need to display the same string which we have now. This is, and after that we need to convert into tuple data structure values. Now in that we need to use tuple of, that is the object name that we need to do, and string name that you want to pass. So that string name, that string variable that I am passing here. Okay, so now what I am trying to do here, print of data structure. Data structure name is that you can see here, that the variable data structure name. And now what we need to do, and you can say tuple values also, tuple values. So now what I am trying to do, you can able to convert tuple values, you can say directly tuple, and data structure name that you need to use type built-in function. So when I execute now, let's see, the given string is mango, that is a string name, and after conversion or casting, that you can say that after conversion, and it became tuple data structure, and values you can see here. So values also, it is tuple, we can use parentheses or brackets so to store the elements. So it is displayed tuple data structure, and that is how we can able to create from string values into tuple data structure values. Again you take here one more thing, what we need to do, you can take it Python, so anything you can take, and you can say course. Okay, just copy the variable names, that is fine. Now you can check it once again. So now let's see, string is Python, and it became tuple, and tuple values like this. And we can go another approach, how we can see the same thing. Fruit equal to, you can give input of use, you can take it values or string dynamically. Okay, so now enter required string is, so now you can take it the string as it is. Now you can copy same code whatever that you have. So we can directly, instead of hard coding, we can directly pass dynamically, we can pass the values here. Now what we need to do, so once you execute, now it will ask like string name, that I am just taking mango. See now how it is converting into tuple. Even it will be for Python also. Okay, anything you can take. So now what you will do, change it to, this is like string format. Okay, like this, then it will be fine to pass any string. Okay, so now let's see here, I am just passing here Python. See how it is converting into tuple values. So any string that we are converting into tuple. Now what we need to do, I am just giving another string, right? Welcome to Python. See now how we are converting, this is the converting into tuple format. Any string that you can take, so that will be converting into tuple format using this method, that you can say. So I love my country. So now execute. So this is the, so total we are converting. Even if it is space also, it is considered in Python. Space is also considered as a character, so that's why it is showing here. Okay, so how we can able to convert means, so we can use tuple is the object name to convert from string to tuple object name. So this is how we can able to convert string data type into tuple data structure format. Okay, so thank you very much and see you in the next class.